Let's fill out the Kentucky Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle. Make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong. The VIN, type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer. Write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500. And how it's paid? Here, paid in full by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. In Kentucky, here's what you need to know when completing a vehicle bill of sale. First, let's talk about signatures. The bill of sale must be signed by both the lien holder and the vehicle owner. When it comes to the title itself, only the seller's signature is required to sign as seller on the title. Speaking of the title, Kentucky uses Form TC 96-182 for the title transfer. If there is a lien on the vehicle, a county clerk may request the title directly from the lien holder. Now, for the bill of sale document itself. It must be on law enforcement's letterhead. That is an important detail you will want to keep in mind. The seller is responsible for including information about whom the vehicle is to be transferred to. And when it comes to mileage, only the seller can disclose the odometer reading when updating the title. As a buyer, you will need to bring a few things with you: proof of Kentucky insurance, proof of identification, and money for any fees and applicable taxes. Finally, the bill of sale should include the terms of sale, covering the price and conditions agreed upon by both parties. And remember, notarization is required in Kentucky, so make sure you have that taken care of before finalizing everything. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.